Good morning बच्चों. Today's our topic is related to allotropes of carbon, which is 36th worksheet belonging to today, that is 39th September 2020. First of all, allotropy. What is allotropy? Allotropy is that property of allotropy is that property of an element. Allotropy is that property of element due to which it has two or more due to which it has two or more physical states. It has two or more physical states, but same chemical properties. Allotropy is that property of an element due to which it has two or more physical states or same chemical properties. For more clear, it can be understood as allotropy. It is in Hindi it is known as अपरूपता. अपरूपता किसी तत्व का वह गुण होता है जिसके कारण एक ही तत्व दो या दो से अधिक भौतिक अवस्थाओं में पाए जाते हैं जिनके रासायनिक गुण समान होते हैं. अपरूपता यानी एलोट्रॉपी किसी एलिमेंट का वह गुण होता है जिसके कारण एक ही एलिमेंट दो या दो से विभिन्न भौतिक अवस्थाओं में पाए जाते हैं जिनके रासायनिक गुण समान होते हैं. नाउ कार्बन हैज थ्री एलोट्रोप्स. कार्बन हैज थ्री एलोट्रोप्स. Carbon has three allotropes. First one is graphite, diamond, and fullerene. That is C60. Now, these three, graphite, diamond, and fullerene, these three are made up of same element, that is carbon, but they have different physical properties. Just like in graphite, each carbon atom is in graphite, each carbon atom is attached with other three carbon atoms. Each carbon atom is attached with other three carbon atoms and form hexagonal array, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are carbon atoms. Each carbon atom is linked with other three carbon atoms. एक इधर भी हो गया. Each carbon atom is attached with other three carbon atom and form hexagonal structure, which gives it layer-like structure. Layers-like structure. While in diamond, each carbon atom is attached with other three, while each diamond in diamond each carbon atom is attached with other three with other four carbon atoms, which give rise to rigid 3D structure. Rigid 3D structure that is 3D implies 3D, three-dimensional. Similarly, in C16, which is known as Buckminster Fullerene. C16, that is known as Buckminster Fullerene. Each carbon atom is attached with 60 Buckminster, which has football-like structure. Main difference between diamond and graphite and diamond. Graphite and diamond. It is soft. It is hard. It is good conductor of electricity, bad conductor of bad conductor.